Pero hindi kayo.
Sa ibabaw lang yan.
We are waiting for it to get to golden color. Once it become golden color, we take out the hubs and we will use it later.
Yeah.
Ginger garlic.
Ginger garlic. Tomatoes. Wow.
Biryani will remove.
Oh. Biryani.
Lagay ko na 1.5. Biryani mix goes in there.
Wow.
Korean cumin seeds. Okay, let me do that. So it do them like this. Ilat na siguro.
Phone. At the phone.
Na tubig ang lalabas na.
Hanggang sa yung sauce ko, sindan takip na yung isang ko. Okay, pinalo.
See? Matigas na. Release more water. Chicken will release more water. Try to add before you... Yes. Oh, hindi mahal. It's a volume cooking. It's not.
And then, after that,
We come back maybe 10 minutes later.
10 minutes.
Hindi na to kasi may tubig nun. Matigas pa.
Matigas pa yan. Konti ang fry.
Wow. Tapos chicken ulit na dito. The choice is ano, shrink. Yes. Pero hindi kayo. Mag-shrink siya.
Sa ibabaw lang yan. Konti lang. That's why it's lang.
Look at this.
Kaya sa ibabaw ko lang. And now,
Wow. Toasted bangus. Yogurt.
Okay. Wow! See? Yeah!